this is our earth, and here we are sending our information. Here I am sending our information into the GEO satellite, that is INSAT satellite, that is beta radar. Whatever the radars are there, I am not asking. Radar is in a kind of radio sensing one, means there is an antenna will be there and they will send the radio waves, and these radio waves will be struck by the any kind of what I said that aircraft which is moving, and after striking it will return back. It means they will be able to assess at that height this aircraft is moving, and this radar will give the information to their Pakistan system, and they can give an idea, okay, Indian aircraft is moving here, and they can hit accordingly. And it happens in the milliseconds. It happens in the milliseconds. Okay. So I say that the radar, the function is this is. So finding out, similarly the sonar within the, so I said that sound waves within the ocean, the same way it works. Right now let me come here, GEO, here it is a 36,000 kilometer height, and it is geosynchronous earth orbit, and it is known as INSAT or GSAT satellite. And here I am sending the cricket match broadcasting, and this is known as uplink, and after that it is reaching to this, it return back and covering the largest area and reaching over here. This is known as downlink. First it will uplink, then we can say that it is receiving the frequency, and here it is transmitting frequency, receiving and transmitting, yes or not? So there must be, so therefore though two types of works are there. One, it is I said that receiving the frequency from the earth and sending some, I said that by changing some frequency, better frequency, it is what I said that sending down to the earth. So the two work is done, receiving, that is done by receiver, and another work is I said that transmitting, it is done by transmitter. Receiver and transmitter, it means the INSAT satellite which is at the height of 36,000 kilometer, they have a receiver and transmitter, and these two are together known as transponder. These two are together known as a transponder. So if somebody asks what is transponder, so you just say it is, I said that electronic equipment, you just say that it is an electronic equipment in the INSAT satellite or GSAT satellite which is receiving the frequency from the uplink and transmitting the frequency on the earth through the downlink, and it is working both the function of receiver and transmitter. This is transponder. So we came to know about receiver and transponder. Means transponder is utilized, it is utilized in the high geosynchronous earth orbit, yes or not? And camera is utilized in low earth orbit. Camera, where it is utilized? Low earth orbit, and transponder utilized in geosynchronous earth orbit. So I said this is our earth, and here it is our earth, and if it is, I said that low earth orbit, there will be camera giving a very good picture, giving what I said that very good picture, and this is your 36,000 kilometer above it, and in this one we are using transponder. Okay. So this is for the GEO and this is for the LEO, yes or not, camera. But if I am talking about MEO, medium earth orbit, that is 8,000 to 20,000 kilometer, I said if it is the earth and this height, so if I will go, so the camera at this height will take a picture, not very good but good picture, yes or not? But it will take what? Good picture. Camera I can use, no, but it is not very good but it is good. Suppose I have to take the picture of a truck, Suppose I have to take the picture of a train, where the train is moving, where the train is moving. The train is a big, I am not asking about your picture, 2-inch picture, 3-inch picture, I am talking about 10 meter, 20 meter, 100 meter long, any picture. So that picture can be taken better from the which height? Medium earth orbit. If it is in the low earth orbit, a camera is taking very good picture and the camera established in the medium earth orbit, they will take the very good picture, good picture in the medium earth orbit. And at the same time, I can use a transponder here because it can also cover not very large area but large area, yes or not? Because GEO earth orbit is using very large area, 1/3 of the earth, but medium earth orbit will cover little large area, little large, not very large area. So we can say that in the medium earth orbit I can use camera also transponder, yes or not? Means I can utilize this for the communication also and I can utilize this for the camera also. So listen me very carefully. Wider and clear resolution means I said that low earth orbit will have, low earth orbit will provide the better resolution and clear picture. Better resolution means a small area, very small area picture. Yes, even of 2-inch, 3-inch, 4-inch, 8-inch, 9-inch, 10-inch. This is the very inch, this is the 10-inch if I can say. Okay, this much of clarity can be done by the camera in the low earth orbit. If I have to go for this much of 10 meter, 20 meter, 20 meter, 10 meter, 5 meter, if it is a 5 meter, 10 meter, then I can establish in the medium earth orbit. I can establish in, if I have to take, and I said that 100 and 200 meter large, then my camera can be what I said that in the GEO. The camera, if I have to take in a very precision, very good picture, the height should be low earth orbit. Camera can be, I said that in the medium earth orbit also. But if I have to take in a better picture of large area, and if I have to, I can establish the camera in the, I said that in the 36,000 kilometer. If I have to take the picture of a cyclone, how do the cyclone in the Bay of Bengal is moving? How do the cloud is moving? Cloud is moving. This clouds and the cyclone is not a smaller one, it is very big, and I can take a picture completely from the GEO. So my question is here, again I am coming and I am interacting with you. I can use camera here, I can use camera in the medium earth orbit, and I can use camera in the what I said that geosynchronous earth orbit. Here the camera will take very precise photo. If of I said that 9-inch, 10-inch, 20-inch, very precise. If I have to take the picture of I said that little larger, means I said that 20 meter, 30 meter, 40 meter, then I can put 10, 20 meter jo bhi hai, 10 meter like this. Here I am talking about in inch. Here I am talking about in the, I said that meter. And if I have to take a picture of I said that 1 kilometer, then the camera can be better, he can take a better picture of 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer in the GEO. Everyone is clear? Yes, cyclone picture can be also taken by MEO beta, but the area taken by the MEO will be less, but the GEO will take the whole area. How do the cyclone in the Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea is moving? Every picture can be taken by GEO much better. If it is in the Andaman and Thailand region, it is coming to the Bay of Bengal, that is Andaman Nicobar, then coming towards I said that Odisha coast, then every picture who can take, and it will be better established at a higher height every movement by there. So, but MEO can take in a smaller area, he cannot move everywhere. So if I say that this point is perhaps clear, that I say that camera can be established anywhere, but it depends upon better picture. Clear? So, तो आपसे यदि मैं पूछूं, in which, where is the meteorological satellite will be there? Meteorological satellite will be where? In the LEO, MEO, GEO. Meteorological satellite, जिसे कल्पना 1 भी कहते हैं. अभी भी मैंने स्टार्ट नहीं किया, आई एम गिविंग द बेसिक्स, आई एम गिविंग द बेसिक्स सो दैट यू कैन कनेक्ट योरसेल्फ. Meteorological means I have to take the cloud, how do the monsoon is moving, how do the monsoon means that it is the cloud of what I said the moistures, the wind it is moving, the moist laden wind, how it is moving, that who will take this large better picture, and which satellite will be there. Meteorological satellite will be in which orbit? बेटा अभी फिलहाल मैं जो क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूं, I will answer your question at the end. I will answer your question everything, just write down at the side of it. My question is, I said that if I have to one, you know that Kalpana Chawla, you know that on the name of it one meteorological satellite is there, Kalpana 1. It will be established in which orbit? It will be established in which orbit? Beta cyclone की जो diameter can be, I said that upper top anvil, upper one which is circulating like umbrella, it can be a 600 to 1000 meter, 1000 kilometer. It's a very large cyclone. Who can take this? And then you know that thousands of kilometer long Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean nearby, how it is moving, how it moves in the Bay of Bengal and coming into the sometimes Kerala, it comes and strike. Means everywhere we have to see the picture and we have to inform the coast so that disaster management can do better work. Who will give all the picture? Very good. So you come to realize, yes, you come to realize that meteorological satellite and weather satellite will be at GEO, yes or not? So you understood about GEO will be, I said that there will be also camera and transponder, yes or not? And my question is here now, so you come to know about, listen me carefully, I said that this is earth. बेटा अपने दिमाग को खोल के रखना, please open your mind to understand each and everything, okay, and you be in the present, do not move in the future, do not move in the past, be in the present, whatever I say that, do that. Rest of the things when I'll come on, so something will be keep on, I said that by one after another piling up. So in the 36,000 kilometer, this satellite will be for telecommunication with the help of transponders, telecommunication, broadcasting, and it can be for weather satellite.